Okay, guys, so happy Sunday. Check out what I'm making today. Oh, yes, baby. We gotta have those onions, right? Gotta make sure they're like translucent, and then we're gonna add our bell peppers. Now, I love color. If you know me, you know I love color, baby, because I just gotta add it to the food. Yeah. But anyway, so we got us some collard greens, we got some kale, and we also have some mustards mix in here, or should I say mustard. Anyway, so, yeah, we're just gonna add it on there. We're gonna put a little bit of water. You can use any type of broth that you want. This is actually broth, okay? And so we're gonna put just a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna cover it up, right? Because greens have to cook down so you can add the rest of them, right? Comment, you know about that, baby. Yeah, so I'm feeling like my grandma today on this Sunday. So then I had to add a little more, put a little more water, and then this is the seasonings that I use. I do mix it up, but baby, that complete, ooh, it makes it complete. Bow. The greens were good, okay? So now let's go ahead and move on to our sweet potatoes. Now, how do you like your sweet potatoes, guys? I like mine with brown sugar and a little bit of butter. Maybe not a little bit, but quite a bit, okay? So I believe I cut up 3 of these. And I use the dullest knife all the time, because if I don't, I will cut myself every single time. Try to use a sharp knife if I want to. I always cut myself, so it's a dull knife. But yes, so I cut them like so, like that. And then we're just going to add our butter, and we're just going to put them in there. Just a little bit of water. We're going to put our brown sugar, okay? And then we're just going to layer. You can make them how you want to, but this is just the easy way. So today, I'm just feeling like my grandma. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla. And then we're going to add cinnamon, and we're going to add nutmeg, and we're going to add mace, and you can add ground allspice. Like, put what you want, just make them the way you want them, Yeah, and then I added just a little more butter, baby, because, ooh, we got to have that butter. And then I made some smoked turkey necks. Now, they're supposed to go in the greens, and my daughter did not want these in her greens. Now, you always got to add a little bit of red potato, right? Well, you don't have to always, but you can. Now, look how that looks. These are some nice looking candied yams, okay? Now, we're going to make us some hot water cornbread, because eggs is high. So I said, what can I make without using an egg? Because I had ran out and I refused to go pay $10. So we got hot water cornbread. And baby, it was good. So everything is done, right? Oh my goodness. Look at them candy yams. What did you make today for dinner? Okay, so now I'm feeling like my grandma, which I said that earlier. And she used to eat them greens with her hands, y'all. And she made it look so good. And I just used to be like, man, that looks so good. So I would go in the kitchen and get me a little bit. But I wouldn't eat with my hands because I just didn't feel right. But my grandmother, she was born way, way back. So this is just what she was used to doing. And I ate like that because I was feeling her and I was feeling the food. And I would just put a little bit in my mouth and then a little more. Y'all, it was so good. I mean, I was even licking my fingers, but I didn't even let y'all see that on camera. I said, I am too ashamed for y'all to see something like that. But baby, and then I got, them smoked turkey necks. Now that was a little one, and it barely had any meat on it. So I said, let me get one that's bigger. And baby, I was going to town because it was so good and it was seasoned so well. Now with your turkey necks, you don't have to season them because they already salty, but it's up to you. I like minimal salt. And then I had to go back and double back on them greens and that hot water cornbread. Thumbs up all the way. I just want to say happy Sunday to you. This is the food again. And y'all, it was so good. Happy Sunday once again. Comment down below. Let me know what you made. And I just feel Southern on Sundays. And I gotta represent. Thanks for watching. Bye.